wa TV West nakutanjira omakuru gitu Agacencwire shaha zaba ibirezekiro kibanza cyo kwezi kwa kana umwaka 2025 amakuru kuzaga kusyaho ndi Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sunday Brian oworumo rw'ubonero bito tutakaga kuretira ombwijire reka tubanze tkoreke mitwe ejegebe mbiri
emetwe y'amakuru nekukibwaho
Roseform. At Roseform, we deliver in real time.
St. Ambrose Institute of Health Sciences. Turyaba kugwa mutendeka kurunja abanansi n'abazarisa ahidara rya certificate. Abeji ni bashomese bw'abakugu kandi bahebo mucisha kwekwatiro mu bibari kwega.
Agacencwire kireki emihondano y'ebyobutegeki okuremesa program za government omuri Mbarara City.
Security murya muzeyo mbachondoze mbakwate mbakora.
Ihe rya UPDF ryahakanisa amakuru ago kwitwa kw'abasirikare babo omuri Kongo.
Twine ekizibu kya fake news.
Uganda kozere endagaano n'abaharabu okombe kije general ry'amajuta omuri Hoyuma.
Not bringing loans, they are coming to invest.
emetwe y'amakuru yaba nekukibwaho
Roseform. At Roseform, we deliver in real time.
St. Ambrose Institute of Health Sciences. Turyaba kugwa mutendeka kurunja abanansi n'abazarisa ahidara rya certificate. Abeji ni bashomese bw'abakugu kandi bahebo mucisha kwekwatiro mu bibari kwega.
Amakuru mbwijire kandi uruga kusyaho ndi Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sunday Brian oworumo rw'ubonero twagatandikiraho ombwijire emikuteta ryemwe nemwe esibire rikushohoza amakuru ago kwitwa kw'abasirikare babiri abihe rya Uganda People's Defense Forces obwe bari kugira ngo bitirwe omwihanga rya Democratic Republic of Congo kandi Chris Magezi orukora nkomugambirizo w'amahega Uganda People's Defense Forces yahakanisa amakuraga.
Omunyamakuru witi yaganiraho na Kano Chris Magezo rukora nkomugambirizo w'amahiga Uganda People's Defense Forces uyashanga hakitebe kikuru cy'amahe cyambuya konkogu yahakanisa amakuru go kwitwa kw'abasirikare ba UPDF.
Si ba UPDF enaku zino si Uganda yokka naye ndowooza nsi yonna tulina ekizibu kya fake news mu capital letters. Nti muntu ayinza okutuula yena gyali n'ateekawo ekintu ekitayinaako wadde bukakafu.
Kano Magezi nagira ngo abantu abisirwe tubasirikare ba UPDF kureka n'abantu ababiri bapangisibwa ekitongole ky'omusharabe kya International Committee of Red Cross.
Amawulire abantu tebagategedde bulungi. Amawulire gabadde gagamba nti waliwo akanyonyi akatonotono akebabadde bapangisiza ndoza aba International Committee of the Red Cross kugenda kufuna abantu aba bali mu kitundu kye Bukavu bano ba pilot ba civilian ba commercial flight pilots so ne bagenda Bukavu nendoza waliwe kyabaddewo tole jensomye mu mawulire waliwe kyabaddewo ndoza ne bakubwamu omunaafa ababiri ne bawambibwa.
Ogu nagira ngo abasirikare ba UPDF naho barimu nibakora emirimo yabo eyabatwire omu mahanga go. Omugani makuru Stephen Kabyango ry'omuramuzi w'idara rya kabiri yasindika abashubuzi omukaaga omu nkomo okumarayo omwaka bwanyuma y'okushanga biine ebyenyanja bito. Kote jeshitamire omuri katwe k'abatoro town council omuri katwe division omu district ya Kasese. Esande hwire ha TV West tukakworeka amakuru g'ekitongore kya Fish Protection Unit ekirikujunaanizibwa okurwanisa enjubambi hamwe n'aba barikwejumbira omu kushuubira ebyenyanja bito aho kyakwatire emotoka ibiri ziine ebyenyanja bitahikire kandi n'abakama babyo bakakwatwa.
Each is to serve 12 months imprisonment. And it is an order of this court that the impounded mature fish of tilapia and Nile perch can be restored to the owners.
I'm very happy that justice has prevailed. The suspects have been convicted 12 months, 6 of them to 12 months. Each of them is going to serve 12 months in prison, and which is very good for us. It is going to serve as a warning to others who want to deal in immature fish.
Satu n'ekitundu zoba ziddiza abanyiniyo ttaani 2 ezino zetwokeza wano nga kooti oda bweragidde. Naye nsaba abavubi n'abali mu bizinesi y'okuvuba bagezeko okulaba nti benyigira mu nvuba entuufu, kubanga okwonoona ebyennyanja nga bino ate ekyo bwe tusuubira okufunamu ssente n'okubeezaawo obulamu bwaffe, kuba n'ebyennyanja mmere ndaba nti si kituufu.
Twagumizamu n'amakuru. Gavumenti ya Uganda ekozire endagaano n'abaharabu okwombeka ijejenero ry'amajuta omuri district ya Hoima. Abaharabu aba nibaruga omu kampuni ya Alpha MBM Investments kandi trillion 15 hamwe na billion 2 nizo zirije kukozesebwa.
Alpha MBM Investments okuruga mu United Arab Emirates bakozire endagaano na government ya Uganda okwombeka ijejenero ry'amajuta omuri Kabare omu district ya Hoima aha sente zirikwingana trillion 15 na billion 2 kandi omurimo ogu niguteekateekwa kutandika omu kwezi kwa Kabahezi omwaka ogu. Ijejenero eri nirija kuba nirushohoza duramu 6,000 buri izooba kandi amajuta nigaza kuba nigabiikwa na mwabura omu district ya Mpigi. Omundagaano ekozirwe kampuni ya Alpha MBM neija kuba netwara obucweka 6 harigana kandi kampuni ya Uganda National Oil Company neija kusigaza obucweka 40 harigana. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni obiireho endagaano egi erikukorwa nagira ngu ijejenero eri nikimanyisa ngu Uganda tekigaruka nyuma omu by'okutimba amajuta gaayo.
But also apologize to them on behalf of my people who have been tossing you around for 3.5 years. It is really not good for the servants of Uganda to not know what to do. Because what these people are proposing is very clear. I don't know why it would even take 2 days to determine. Fortunately, the national resistance movement is here, and if you don't move, the NRM will move, with or without you.
Omundagaano etiirweho omukono omugabe wa United Arab Emirates Sheikh Mohammed bin Maktoum harimu n'okwombeka omushekye gwa kilometers 212 okuruga Hoima okuza Mpigi.
These people, they are linking us with the Gulf area, UAE, Saudi Arabia, those countries. Those countries had a lot of problems. We are very poor. But when they discovered oil some time ago, but in the 1960s, 70s, there was the rise of the price of oil. And what they call petrodollars flowed into that area. That's how they got out of poverty. But also they are very hardworking. You can imagine somebody in the desert to manage to live well and somebody with all the rain is in poverty.
I'd like to explain that the implementation agreement that we've just signed is for the refinery, which is going to be in Hoima district, the receiving storage terminal, which we expect to receive the finished products from the refinery, which is going to be constructed in Impigi district at a place called Namwabla, and a 212-kilometer multi-product pipeline, which will be used to transport the products from the refinery to the storage terminal.
President Museveni nashaba abanya-Uganda okorera hamwe n'abaharabu aba okureba ngo ensonga egi yatambura kurungi.
To work with them, because they are bringing investment, they are not bringing loans, they are coming to invest. Why do you have any problem when you spend days and 3.5 years? The man is very polite. Oh, thank you very much. After 3 years, really, we have worked hard. Worked hard. This is Arab politeness.
Ruth Nankabirwa, Minister w'ebyamashanyarazi n'obwega bw'omwitaka, nagira ngu bakozere n'endagaano ezindi 5 harimu n'eyo kubyara emiti.
This comprehensive agreement is going to help us see fast-tracking the entire infrastructure. Uganda is going to use its money from you, the taxpayers, to facilitate this facility, the refinery, and the related facilities that have raised by 40%.
Omugabe wa United Arab Emirates, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Maktoum, araganise kwatanisa nungi n'ihanga lya Uganda ombyentunguka.
For the nation, I'm doing it for the people, I'm doing it to support the community over here. I'm doing it. My happiness is people smile. My happiness is to see the people live better life. That's what I'm looking for. Me and my team. Again, I would first of all appreciate and thanks Your Excellency for your support since day one, 3.5 years before. I always remember our first meeting.
Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Webale munonga Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto twakomeza n'amakuru amabare agokora Corance ya Buremba omuri district ya Kazo ayiturugambira babazi kandi bagiba umunyishenjero Dan Chimosho aragire ngo abagibire bakwatwaho nawo.
Izo bari nyumwebaziyo umunyeshengero wa Kazoda Nchimasho ayebemirwe mukuru w'entebe ya 5 Reverend Samuel Katugunda babitamanki itobaza umugombora ya Buremba okurebe nguto yakora sibashaciraho yahika bitaba batangire okushanga ngo miru mahangu utejemerire kandi nebukozesa byibirwe
kinkirayo kuteganira bya ngo ntitamana menshi kuronde bitwe government kurobinga government having president Museveni having ati Chicago ushanga abantu bazanda so nicyo twugerera ngo ati twine kuzora mesho twera n'abasecurity RDC polisi oturashanje nakwata ijaga ibintu bya government nari na kompanya yakarukore
ibintu tukabishanga byaheza kupakirwa motoka nyikiro haka drums 20 narayimwe kairi ya motoka ndijo kunka twashanga polisi yakiriho abantu twabashangaho twabuza polisi yatugambira ku bashangaho wa records wa town council wa records ine ya bira twaze twamwihayo
mukuru w'entebe ya 5 Reverend Samuel Katugunda nagira ngo abibire bintu ebi omuya kwasirwe
twinomwe konkari baza okunwa mugovere konka twaragira ngo polisi egende kucondoza nabandi babiri bari mu kikogo cyo icyo kwibintu byayende
tuje twashanga mu kwibwa kwa kwidramu za Koroto twashanga harimo kwibwa kwa Raymond basipakira motoka.
James Matagizi orimeya wataono kanso ya Buremba nagira ngo abakwasirwa bakashangwa barukwiba Koroto hamwe na Raimu
bagira ngo ibi babiri binabini tekateka ngo biba bakangira ngo bakana bapakira kuza gukora inguye nuko bakana bapakira umushayisha tuzicyo mbeno statement zabo ba engineer bayano babipakira bajya mu nibyo gukora ingutu kandi baza gutwara kandi binakwatsire nkabakwata nabyo kandi wabe napakira namukwata na mutumu cyome na muhoro za district
gasha kwa Richard Nahabwe
webale munonga Richard Nahabwe ekingwa cya kokowa ni kimwe ahabihingwa ebicerizeyo okuretera ihanga rya Uganda sente okurabira omukucuguza omahanga gaheru omuryabo abayejumbire omurumugu ni kusibwe Daniel omutura wahacharo cha Izahura omugombora ya Harugare kandi ugu ubwahataine eka inazo musoro gwa kokowa kandi ka TV West tubaze kubantu bushikira
omwihanga rya Uganda omwaka gwa 1958 abantu bakimukira mu monongo mu kuhinga kokowa kandi government katamamana obwe rukwatira abahinji okweta bo mu kujihinga kwendangwa amasharura gayo gakaba minji ombwiro obwo district ya Bunyangabonema hariyeze zatira mani omukwinga kingwa cya kokowa obwe government erukuhereza abantu embebo ezo kubyara
kokowa kwa kuondera history ko kwikaija mu bundu buryo abayisenkurite ni batugamba ekabaho aho kutandika no mwaka gwa 1996. That's where we can trace the history of cocoa from. Mwaka gwa 96 ekaija polampola abantu bakabazeyi bakabalo bakagintroducinga hano baitu ibo bakaba ni batunda bijuma bye cocoa.
Omuri aba bayejumbiro mu kuhinga na Daniel Kusibwe omutura wa hacharo cha Izahura omugombora ya Harugare kandi ubwo bwa hati haine eka zinazo musiri obwo kingwa cha kokowa
onjo tukabe tuli mu isozi tukabe tuli mu mwani obwo tukabe tuli mu mwani na hasa hano hakaba haruha abamba bawisi abo nibo batandikira okubyara koko netu tukayiziramu netu tandika netu kubyara ekoko turuge netu mu isozi tasaramuka hasi hano niko netu tandika okulema ekoko
ebihandiko korwa mu office webyo buhinjo mu district ya Bunyangabo nibyoreka ngo abantu abari kwinga no bucweka 58 hariga no mu district eji n'abahinje ba kokowa ishazeri ya bwamba niryo rukukiza yo kuhinga kingwe eki mu district ya Bundu Bujo
hati Bundu Bujo yon turi ha percent abantu abakubyara kokowa percent 78 buri muntu wena homestead baine kokowa kandi mainly mu isaza lya bwamba ambere twine flatland abantu bona almost every homestead baine kokowa ni bwamba county turi ha 99% there is no homestead without a cocoa tree.
Ubwa hati kilo ya kokowa mu district eji eri hagati y'emitwaro 2 n'ecweka kuhika emitwaro 36 omusente za Uganda. David Kusibwe ori omumba hinji ba kokowa mu district eji nagira ngo sente zatungire ku rugomo rukokowa takabasa no kuzubara kandi ogwaine eka zina nagira ngo bursabiti 2 natunga miliyoni 2 mu sente za Uganda omurimo gwa rukora na bekaye.
Nitsima government habo ku increasing prices za cocoa hata saa zino kilogram of organic cocoa era hamitwale 212 the other time ibiri hamitwale 3 yacheka mukataito but at least then the fresh one a fresh program musiri the kilograms are 10,000. So we thank the government. These days our parents get a lot of money nibasobora kusasura fees nibaombeka
tuya hansi munonga tutine sente zo kwerera abana isomero konga nanga government ya Museveni tuyambere munonga kureba ngo batwedeyi nizo abana bito bagenzero miso no kusoma Bundu Bujo twetine kuombeka bitate saha zinu no mukazi no musiza tudyo mu matafari abakasente ka koko akahicira
obutolimire koko omukumi bimi yonga tandika kurema koko ngumi bimi hati koko nijebara ngehe makasente
Robert Tebakunerwa uri mukuru w'entebe ya katana hawa district eji nagira ngo sente zikoko weru kuretera district nizikirembarira ya district yona
sente kwije mu Bundu Bujo eza kokowa ziri much higher than the district budget fund which we plan for. Budget yetu the entire financial year 49 billion. Ati bono nutabivuga kurabya mu budget ya 50 billion. Baitu sente zikaije mu district for the whole season zikazira billion 9, almost tripling the district budget. So abantu baine sente no barora baguzira amapikipiki arugudaho rwanyauka bundu buryo for petrol, abantu ati naruga bundu buryo nagenda nata for petrol city apikipiki ili taxi bagenda kubirugabo kuma na sasura special.
Aha wa sente kuzahiguru abamwe bagira ngo kitumeremeze y'abana okushwera no kushwerwa abakiro batoya yeyongera mu district age ekiri kubaretera abana gahwemisho mu yabo
tusangira ombwiro bwingi amaka gayingi yo kumbyaro babaine kokowa omwana na hikemya 15 13 omuzaire na muhitaka oba kumhitaka it means ekeni kimankimanisa nti omwana ogu nabaine obugabe bokutunga omukazi obu nagenda kutunga omukazi natunga omwana who is omwana ogu nosanga nawe aine myaka 13 runde 14 15
ombirwa. It is very true wanebundi bujo it is among the most serious challenges that we are having as leaders. Egende malawo abavubuka abandi badaba omugaso mu maaso abandi badde bayambe eggwanga lino. It is a very big challenge, and as bundi bujo, one, it is coming out of the increase in the prices of cocoa. Bana bafuna sente nyingi.
Ebihandiko kurugo mu office y'enshonga z'amakana bano mu district age nibyoreka ngo abishye bari kwingana 2020 abari hagati y'imyaka 12 kuzahari 17 bakatungenda baba rukurenga kimwe cya kabiri Mbarogo. Ebihandiko nibyo mwe nibyoreka ngo bakaba bari umbushwere
numanya ngo niteka washwezwa kana kato iwe umuzire ndachwera ntwena mwena ntubakwata konka bingi nibatwesherekamo nishereka tubatakora nembaga njyango busente hati nibabwihana account tebakikora mbaga kwari kuba yagira umukize w'ikecu shana kubiri kushoba nebi yaraganisize chwera byaba bitayikiriye nibo kura kandi ngo agashwera umwana muto
okutambura mbicweka bitari bimwe na bimwe mu district age noshanga ngo bicweka bingi byona bishwekerwe misiri ya kokoa kandi tinaho rukushanga ngo abantu bahingire byo kurya. Jofure Nyamwongera omazire emyaka mingi nakora umurimo gw'obunyamakuru omu district age tuganireho nawe.
They don't intercrop it. So kugibyala nebindi ebyokulya. So when you have cocoa, it is very rare that you have food crops. So abantu bayingi hano bundi bujo tuine cocoa tuine ebyokulya. So all the money that we are getting from cocoa is spent on the money as tukoraki habyokulya bitukulya. So that is another big challenge.
Abakuru mu district age batwire nabashaba government kubahereza ikororo lya kokoa okwenango bakaguma bajigitaho mutindo kandi biha musente nyingi. Ekyandiko kurugo mu kitongole cya Uganda Export Promotion Board nicyoreka ngo Uganda mu mwaka gwa 2018 kaguza tano za kokoa ezero kwingana emitwaro 3 rushanjwa 5 gasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwiri.
Webare Jonathan Tsingwire umurebi witu wa TV Osto Murungi otuyikirize tukusime aho rukuturebera hona kandi twase ku bantu kumuraho tugaruka n'amakuru agandi. Agarukurataho Honda n'ebyo butegeki okuremesa program za government omuri Mbarara City.
Ibintu gutorkorwe bine za compensation n'ibintu kuziga turu misho kuzabuti.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kasese Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kasese Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kasese Red Tonic and Kasese Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kasese Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kasese Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
market, tambula body street, shoes are my target. We are what? Unstoppable. We are what? Unstoppable. I'm in a plantation, but on a global mission, internet ambition, full condition. We are what? Unstoppable. We are what? Unstoppable. Oro cash is gone, netaga yo karoni, niga mukafoni, money in the zone. We are what? Unstoppable. We are what? Unstoppable. We are
Tuliwa munawe ne MTN ebirubirwa byaffe tebiremererwa.
We are what? Unstoppable.
In this sacred month of Ramadan, we reflect, we pray, we give, and we rest. As you observe Suhoor and stand in Tarawih, may your nights be filled with sakina, your du'as be accepted, and your heart overflow with shukr. Let resting on rose-foam mattresses be part of your journey so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Kareem from
Rose Farm, a world of beautiful dreams.
Ebiro bikuru ebi shebitali n'itano.
Fins Medical University yonka omubyo kutendeka by'obushaho byonka omuri East Africa neyeto kushaba ahabwa intake ya July na August omashomaga Bachelors of Medicine and Bachelors of Surgery, Bachelors in Pharmacy, Bachelors Nursing, Bachelors in Midwifery, Bachelors in Medical Education or Tutorship, Bachelors in Laboratory Technology. Naza program is a diploma ezirimu Clinical Medicine, Pharmacy, Lab Weekend Program, Nursing Weekend, Midwifery Weekend, Medical Education, hamwena neza certificate ezirimu Nursing and Midwifery, Pharmacy, hamwena nezindi nyenje. Tushirire ahitajirite rukuru omuri fotopoto, ninga shi oteresimu, not mushanj itano, not itano. Asha tunemwe, chenda nibiri, narishi tutaire ahachibanja chitu, www.fmu.ac.ug. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant hereza bwo muremba muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukhereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, echenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaru, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kande echo kunywa nikigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe, pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel ne shangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri. Ebirukiraho tera notu mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga notu mushanje notu mukaga 36 36.
All right, listen up. Collocates is on a mission. It makes our gums healthy and our teeth strong. See? We're moving forward and making changes.
It's kind of a big thing.
Colgate Herbal uses traditional nature's herbs and combines it with Colgate Science for healthy gums and strong teeth. And we'll leave no smile behind.
Manager, ogito wagito. Konka batumu kidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumna na wiring ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara cake tukazakunywa mbogo.
Na wampensi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yonka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekolera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi minji. Amashomaga gona ngabuzubwa ebitongore nka UPDF, DIT hamwe na Makerere University, Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu Rukungiri kandi kwehandikisa nukugendo misho. Tera enamba zesimu 0772 96 90
Nye bitiko byenda.
Pekoni. Yakwera utamuha umudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni. Wanyompenkoni nushumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinje. Nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni.
Igenda. Yakintu cyo kunywa cyonka.
Mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija. Mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje. Teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe. Sinza kutambura. Ngashimye de kumpenkoni. Ukakasi. Kwata. Nawe nyuwako. Tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no Mbarara no mwihanga. Iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi.
Mpenkoni. Wakinkorire.
Uganda College of Health Sciences Bwindi hamwe na Uganda Nursing School Bwindi ezirukushangwa Bwindi Kanungu nibakumanyisangu bine myanya aharyabo abarkwenda kutendekwa harengo rwa certificate om laboratory nursing hamwe na certificate om midwifery na shobuzarisa diploma om clinical medicine diploma om nursing direct entry ahabwa extension program diploma in midwifery ahabwa extension program amasho aga certificate om laboratory diploma om clinical medicine hamwe na certificate om nursing gariyo ahabwa bucheka obwa scholarships amashomeraga gariyo ngatunguka okuba University ya African University of Science and Management okumanya birukucheraho terano tumushanju mukaga nshanju na munana 91
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad n'amashemerwa minji ntabarusi abo bona batunjire visa bakagenda kandi tumanyisa abantu mwena ngo nitucenda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abojo n'abishiki emyaka 21 okwisarya na 5 okora chai chenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners okweyandisa no kwabusha free registration amatagit gona esimu notumushanju ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga noti mushanju ina itano ninga noti mushanju ina not rukumi
tuzi necyo kunywa kirungi nawe cyo nindebeka ngo nakikuza buri zoba nobunkuba mu office nintekwa kureba ngo kirimu umukakiriyo abika yanjye nubacumanya ngo kituzi nekintu ekitashimiye kuba ncho buru mukayitu abandi kuba shahezi bakuza kugira ngo baza muza gym no mukuza kwirukanga nyowe nimba ubwirobwe abandi babantu basa kuronde binde byo kunywa nyowe ni ndeba ngo nyine kituzi yanjye mba ndukunywaho ushanga kandi nabaje munonga
kana yugabu nduguza makasente kake kake naheza naguza makasente kingiho karoni twikirizana nayombeka menju jiji wena namugireba nakora mu nebindi bintu nashomesa abana ahabwa kasente karoni ka yugabu so ninyeta emyeto abashayija abakazi wije tweyumbero mu igabu etwe sente tubinje ubworo
Igarabu wejo tifa masako igabu eiziro kwera omukutungwire ntasiya yawe shanja butare chamuhunga bushenyi district ningoma tajigitaga buheju na kanunka branches omuri buheju district na kagarama branch omuri kagarama town council ntungamo district tera noti mushanju munana mukaga noti 13 noti 2.
Tugumizamo na namakuru agishekeki meya wa Mbarara City Robert Kasese yaherebura abakansara abarukwenda kureta ebyo butegeje kuremesa program ya government eyamizi agarukwenda kuruga muri Kagera akandi garukwije muri Mbarara City hamwe na nebiceke bindi ebyabagambira umukanso yaho naho irizuba ahitebe kikuru Mbarara City Council.
Ni kigambo ngo bwanyuma ya government kureba mizi go mujera gwa Rwizi gatanuka kuchendera niko koragira kitongore cha National Water and Sewage Corporation kukoresa mizi agarukuru go mujera gwa Kagera mu district eyisinjiro ekitongore cha Sogea ekiri hansi ya National Water and Sewage Corporation kucyatanukire ko emirimo yo kutimba emfreje yo korabya mu pipe zo korabya mu mizi bakama bamaju nuko kubaremesa ngo batakatimba embuga zabo. Kanso ya Mbarara nuko kweta kanso yaho naho erizoba aha wenshonga ya mizeji.
We need a road, but we need water for this city. We need water. People even shift blames why I'm bringing this and why I insisted we must have council. People normally shift blames when this one is done. There is nobody who comes out clearly to write it and put it on the record.
Robert Mugabe Kasese meya wa Mbarara City najang program eri kuba neyamba abantu bambara nebicweke bindi ngutine muntu wena nomwe oine kugiremesa no bucarabe kiringu amajugo muri Katete tegarayo mbekirwe aha plan
security murya muzeyo mbachondoze mbakwati mbakomi kwaya rei here cry nebendo gutorukorwe binesente za compensation nebenda kuziga trombisho kuzakuzi abatombe home babakona. So that is that
chama jezi kugira anti tukoze nshikitano na managing director nawe akaruka kampaka katusoborora ntariya busente bwo kwa abantu pipe uze kuza kuraba yokizo okenda ndikansa abantu kumbaziriye eza kubenzo mbataka compensation bagikorera abantu barabana akati yo cyamagezi
turabye pipe sezo umurubaje rwo muhanda aho urubaje rutaro tuzarabye umuhanda amezi tugarete boma konkoro goto rwono turateme tuzakorwa ronko kurwabarure kandi pipe neza kuberya hansi meters ibere ni 6.7 feet
ngweno iwe ko munyambarara iwe ko wabunya wakatete Mbarara ukagira ngo ku poroti yawe narishimishaga umurwazi w'ingu utagwa kurabya ngo atarabyaho uri mu Uganda ngoriye foreigner ngoriki
ni kigambo ngo mu rumogu nugwija kumara amezi mukaga ebyanga ebiraganyuramo omukutunga amezi harimo Katamba Kicwamba Nyarubanga Kakoma gashakwa Cheer Ramadan
webareke Ramadan twagumizamo abatora barukika omuriga na mushanju okuruga omurigara Eastern district ya Bushenyi erizoba batunga ebyoma byabusha ebyebye mukono okubayambaho omukurwana soboro
obwezo burumwe biharani by'emyenda n'eshweta ebyoma bya garage hamwe na saruni okubija hamwe n'ebindi kandi byahebwayo mu ishenjero Michael Mawanda Maranga
gekora government kwe okugira ngo abantu bezumbire omusomo ningasi ombintu by'emkono abo kandi barabisi cyo kubanza wasera ku Freud cyakabiri kubahereza sente eziratungura amakagaho
Honorable Mawanda MP Wigara East eshonga bwenci yagaba ebikoze sebe by'emikono no kwenda kubutura umutindo gw'emikono umugara East no kwenda kuretera emenyeto yatunge bikwate yayega eri kubireba kandi eri kubikozesa
norowiro wingi abantu bakumanya ngo ibintu by'emikono n'ebirungi kusinga nango no mwana kumutora kimwe director akazumuhaye
umwana nazo muhaya garuka butoka kandi ashanga yagaraka hansi umwana wabuze umutekeniko wo kureba president ayino muranga gwa skilling Uganda.
Chairman w'entebe ya Katana wa district ya Bushenja Far basajja baraba yagamba habuhwezobu
abahandikira bagira ngo umuntu kweze cyenyanza akwereza irobo akwegesa okuzuba ogumana obyihiramo nakirebecho
yes
ina yagamba mvungana n'imikiri yese mkiri n'uyo kongo mukeza kutiyo koma
unarebona abasaba nkumura bitwari munje kuyambe minyete ryo mucanga cyitomo kubutuka ukusomye by'emukono ugunsko by'emukono okutungana becho gukora kandi mutabitunga
iwe nkanye banzo kundo murumo gwawe azo murumo gwo koreze gukunda gukore no bwesigwa deno murumo gwo bundo no basagure baba abahera batagumanya baje ngutara umusente konko murumo gwo umusente kubanyobunyorire
bamombo atware byoma bayereka okusima
nyenda kumusima ahabwo kureba ngo natwishka amanyata abantu nyine kubakwatara ako bahine machine zikuba ntwetenga obundo tutakazesya
Michael Mawanda yagarka yahereza amashomero ga igara Instagram kushomese by'emikono ngo abeje babase gukora practicals omugani makuru abechitongere start cha government cha Heart and Hands bahire faka zuru kwikankago mwodi ya masindika omutawuni kanso ya Chenjojo sente zentandikwa esente zinezo kwerefa kazezo konjera omishuburo yabo babase kubisa amaka gabo bamemba bahirwe sente zurukike mtwara 39 kandi sente zinezo kwerefa kazezo konjera omishuburo yabo babase kubisa amaka gabo
twine program ezitukora hamwe omuchenjojo nyonga kansara w'abantu ba Chenjojo nkageza ukora nageza ukurobinga kura nafunda abantu banje byinkura kurana nyine bintu binji bikora nyine ishomero yesinganto konga hati nyine programu iyemfakazi omuchenjo district
hari abajungu bakwija kutuhereza akasente ako kozesa tukole tukurakurane makagaitu
okwenda kutungura efakazezi aba Heart and Hands bakabakora mu bigombe bya hamwe okubasa kubegesa okubikira nyensya
nyine na group ya kabiri nayo inabafakate abarukweka 5 na bana nyine group ibiri kutwaliza hamo nyondi chairperson webitebe byono kutwaliza hamo nka coordinator wabi
mazima kwa tuletire nkora nenundu ira tutwara mwiso ito nkabacyara bamsandika akoze kurungi muno tusemeriyo
aba Heart and Hands hona nabagabera bahinje fuka hamwe n'embibo okubyaro mbyaro byabo amakora gagasha kwa Mike atwakire na Daniel Bingana
umurebe wito murunji tukusima aho rukuturebera hona twazagaruka tumureho nitugaruka n'amakuru agandi
Oino mukoro nkembaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera obuhereza bw'orurengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events nibashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room number 17 ahari Mbaguta Street Mbarara City okumanya birukiraho tera noti mushanju mukaga hata 5 chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twenko muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bwo murembe nitwakira omuri Mbarara Sweets umwanya bwo bugwaje no buteka umuri Mbarara City hati twigwireho conference hall iyo mutindo gwa yiguru nibyo kweshinisa omunchiko nka projectors no kurire kitongore no indo mwanya go gukorera muza seminar board meetings nebindi umwanya ni Mbarara Sweets conference center twine bishenje byo kuraramu ebyo mutindo gwa yiguru munonga single double hamwe na executive suites ebara yo mutindo restaurant naba chef baronje munonga nitshangwa ari proti 14 Mosque Road Mbarara City esimu noti mshanji noti 3 58 nshanji na mukaga 88 ninga noti mshanji 5 noti emwe 3 nshanji 4
katochi yeri no bunuzi bwayo katochi kelya mutindo katochi okurugerizo abantu banje tibarigaruka kugira nako aha mutima byaguma bina amashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecyakatoki mugume munyweco katoki ino bunuzi bwayo katoki kerya mutindo katoki ina chama chayo muhute katoki yerya mutindo katoki alcoholic drink inuzire kandi teri kuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Susumagire ekyo shua. Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Musei kwa badomu lwa katoli kundongozi na.
Nanywedde kano ka Vera chawuda drink. Kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kati katyebule. Mutobo okolola okotyongoka kwata kano.
Musei kano bakayita batya?
Pineapple soda drink kakamuddwa mu nanasi.
Bojo.
Mutobo va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe kakiga.
Bangambye omubiri munafunafu kakiga talina maanyi.
Kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi.
Ye naye nenfuno wa maanyi. Utamira ku soda drink. N'abawala nabo banywa obutamu.
Nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. Ishomero lyonka erikyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aha rurengo rwa certificate na diploma omu diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Lero bagaruka bashomesa certificate in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba nkomuntu library ey'omurembe kompyuta z'ekika higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'ubwegesi na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe n'umwanya rugogoma go kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isingiro odaka kiro mutahuni ya kaberebe okumanya biri kukiraho note mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu nibiri kukaga nemu. Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670.
Era ddala kituufu inache walya nguza bizigo kumpi container namba biganye nange saagala kufaanana bwenti mukwano tongoba ani walayira nti okufa kwe kulitwawula olususu lutwawudde kaibanda omusajja ngobya olususu lunnemeseza amaka gula ebizigo wiisiige ebizigo byonna biganye olususu lukulemesa amaka kiikino gulo handi and body cream mbadde mbigulidde mukazi wange.
Glow Cosmetic Products okuyoyota ensusu beekansa balina Glow Hand and Body Cream, Glow Herbal Petroleum Jelly, Glow Perfumed Petroleum Jelly, Glow Junior Jelly, Glow Hair Jelly, Glow Hair Pomade, Glow Hair Conditioner, Glow Hair Shampoo, Glow Hair Relaxer, Glow Pure Glycerin ne Glow Baby Powder. Efune mu maduuka wonna ne mu supermarkets.
Olina omutwe oguluma, emimiro egiruma, ebinywa, amannyo oba omusujja. Waliwo Kiramo Plus. Kiramo Plus lw'amaanyi ku bulumi n'okuyamba ku mbuto eziruma. Asangibwa mu maduuka agatunda eddagala wonna mu ggwanga. Kiramo Plus takkirizibwa baana abali wansi w'emyaka 12. Obulumi bwe bweyongera, genda olabe omusawo.
Uganda Christian University, Bishop Balamu University College, Kabale, nibakweta okuleta okushaba kwawe ahabwa amashomo g'enshuro yo kwa katano omwaka ogu. Amashomo ni gaga: Bachelors of Business Administration, Procurement and Logistics Management, Social Work and Social Administration, Public Administration, Arts in Journalism and Communication, Information and Technology, Theology and Divinity, Arts with Education, Science with Education, Bachelor of Education Secondary, Bachelor of Education Primary, Higher Education Certificate. Amashomaga garya harurengo rwa PhD, Masters, Degrees, Diploma na Certificate okuruga omu UPDF. Beine byo kwera beji okukoraje nka Computer Lab na libraries za famu na studios. Website ni www.bbuc.ucu.ac.ug. Esimu ni noti mushanju munana mwenda 11 kinana ne 5 nshanju ne 5.
Come on, mo pocket, tambula body street, shoes are my target. We are what? Unstoppable. We are what? Unstoppable. I'm in a plantation, but on a global mission, internet ambition, full condition. We are what? Unstoppable. We are what? Unstoppable. Oro cash is gone, netaga yo karoni, nigga mukafoni, money in the zone. We are what? Unstoppable. We are what? Unstoppable. We are nawe ne MTN ebirubirwa byaffe tebiremererwa. We are what? Unstoppable.
Mwami waza kurugaho yejekeho hona mazima nyewe nkabanda reba umusiro gwanje kugurukusha agarahanga taro cintatiro umusiro gw'ibicorogo buri kiri sacho nanchitiremo murana kabumwe abazenyo nabo mukasheshe konka reba umusiro gwa murano rebo gwanje nkakugambira ngo mukakapere nandoga konka wayanga hatu wachireba
hata bicho niyo bintu bikuteze nduru no yabantamira mo yabawe bicori mukakapere mushanje na Kasese Musa cha crop champion taro muhinje umigando arukweza atakaose Musa cha crop champion umuhinji wen Kasese Musa cha crop champion abashubuzi mucishanje a Joseph Farm Supplies a Kings Plaza omishoga Coppers Complex eduka namba G1 Musa ni shango maduka gona omwihanga. Crop champion, the farmer's best choice.
Hey kids, we're going to count today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enjoy 5 ways to love your baby, smoothen and protect your baby's skin with 5 new gentle formulations. Original to nurture your baby, aloe vera to protect your shibubu's skin. Cocoa butter to comfort your pinku, mild scent to soothe your little one, and avocado to soften your buju skin. Available in all supermarkets, retail shops, and cosmetics shops near you. Move it, baby jelly. All day confidence.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Kankwanjurire St. Lawrence Academy Schools and Colleges amashomero gomurembe agariya mutindo gwensiyona garimu St. Lawrence Citizen High School Horizon Campus iryabishibonka hariho London College of St. Lawrence hariho na St. Lawrence College Palais ejione gita honor Faransa bina na St. Lawrence High School Crown City na St. Lawrence Citizens High School Creamland Campus bine the Academy St. Lawrence Budo gine ebyobwegese ebyomurembe abashomesa barya mutindo gwensiyona hotebirwe na standby generators swimming pools zo murembe ebyo kurya n'uburaro ebyo murembe buzima amashomero Agacencwire Gona ni Gashangwa hari Masaka Road.
bage by'emizano abeji bishomero rya Holistic Junior School umure mitoma borekero mutindo murungi okusinga mpaka za Ntare Open.
Abazani ba Holistic Junior School abakozireje hari Silver Saturday osingireza abato Case Kakuru wa Uganda Matazi akwasire cya kabiri rero Victor Turyasingura hamwe na Augustine Turyatemba nabo aba Holistic Junior School bakwate cya kashatu. Omuzabi kisingirwe ni Maro Agatha agena wa KIU Ishaka akuratirwe Tricia kukunda kwe wa Masti Morris akankunda wa Holistic Junior School na Nyakato Face abo murungi wa Uganda Matters Primary School. Leon Kazini wa Masti asingireza abashija kandi yakuratura Amis batambuze na Proti Opoya wa Ntare School na Calvin Ntuma bona abatungiro bona omukaga abasingire bahirwe ebicyoncho
n'abana bashatu abarabireho ampaka baza a national team ekwenda kuzekera ihanga kuzakuzana East African Games abana bashatu bakurugo muri Mitoma district muri Bitereko. It is a big achievement.
Omuzano gwa chess actually tukoma kuzana konka abantu abana bingi baganyirwemo abana abine talent abine capacity yo kuzana umuzano harengo bwa Uganda yo na national level nubija bafuna za bursaries.
Ebyo bikiriyawo timu ya Rwiziringiro esingire kabirebera gore mwaru bushaho muzakamarizo kempaka zeminyeto eze cyange cya Isingiro omuzano gwa kamarizo gwempaka eze guzanirwa cya Rwiziringiro Primary School.
Nyenda kusima abo muzigiti gwa Rwiziringiro urwo mukasheshe ngumire ndiyo mugenyi wabo kandi kutwarwo muzigiti twija twaza hatshayi aitwa twine team ya Rwiziringiro hamwe na team ya Kaberebere. Nyenda kubasima abo kwa tournament nkajibahereza batandikira umuseruzi mpaka yibashira muheru
ya tukatandisha mu group stages kazi team zikuru twabasa kuzana group stages encouraging FC twarugama mu kubirika twiza twaza semi finals mpaka twagera finals hamwe na Kaberebere Bright Stars konka ila hetu twashemerwa no kandi twahambira
team Kaberebere elimwe mtwaro 50
omu games agandi empakeza English